Yes. Let me see. I think so.
Ha, ko'rinyapti. Faqat ovozingiz sal unaqa eshitilyapti.
Yes. I think so.
Ha, ko'rinyapti. Faqat ovozingiz sal unaqa eshitilyapti.
Appagachi? Better.
Endichi.
I think this is good, right, guys? Everybody can see? Okay.
Yep.
I'm going to put everybody on mute, including myself. So Mr. Shatakulov is the only one who's going to be speaking. So just kind of remind everyone, Mr. Shatakulov, he had a presentation.
Reactive. Mute button, Jonathan. Okay,
Oh, sorry. Well, I just wanted to remind people, let people know that you had a presentation. You prepared for presentation, and that the topic name was React, right?
Reactive. Yeah.
React JS. And then what else did you prepare for?
It's just React JS.
Just one, right? Okay. All right. Well, microphone is yours. Go ahead. Good luck.
Hello, everyone. Today, I'm gonna present React JS. So what React? The React is front-end JavaScript library built user interface. So most people think it could be it's not framework, it's library. So it makes it create like a web page and developed by Facebook. And Instagram, I think Instagram also use like React. So why React? It's like most popular JavaScript library, and it has like huge community and demand skill set in React. So its base architecture is like header, sitemap, main content, and footer. So React declarative. So when you React what you want, React will do the actual UI. React will handle efficiently updating and rendering of the component.
I'm not sure everyone else, but your voice, your sound is not very clear. You guys having the same problem? Because I'm having
Yes.
I'm having very difficulty to understand you right now. So is there something wrong with the microphone?
I don't know. I think it was good in the beginning, no?
Well, there we go. I mean, now all of a sudden it's got better now.
It's good?
Yeah, this is good now, because before, like, you were talking like you're drunk, like But now it's better. So okay. You want to give it a try?
Yes. From beginning?
I understand most of the stuff you said, because I was trying to catch up, see what you're trying to say, because some of the things broken up so fast.
Okay, so
there we go.
What is RAG about now? Is good? What is RAG? The RAG is JavaScript library. It's not a framework. It makes easier to create responsive web page. It's developed by Facebook. It has like a huge community working on it, and and its most popular library, like JavaScript library. Its basic architecture is like header, side nav, and main content, and footer. So React is declarative. So when you tell React one, and React will build the actual UI. The React will handle efficiently updating and rendering of the component. Some updates are handled gracefully in React. So prerequisites is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript fundamentals to learn the React. Basically, you should know like a basic HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So it has like virtual DOM. So DOM manipulation is the heart of the most interactive web. Unfortunately, it's a lot slower than most JavaScript operations. Slowness is made worse by the fact that most JavaScript frameworks update a DOM much more than they have to. Example is right here. So the document root element HTML, and that's how it looks like. So it has JSX, JavaScript extension. It allows us to combine JavaScript and HTML in the same position, like in the same place, or to use it like to do JavaScript and HTML. And thank you, everyone, and good luck. That's right.
All right. It's time for questions and answers, right? There we go. Couple likes thrown. One like, one dislike. Somebody said dislike? No. No. One like. All right, guys. So let's start with the question. So to be honest, it was kind of a short presentation, so I just didn't realize it was over already before it started. So what do we know about React now? So we know that it's used
library. JavaScript library.
JavaScript library.
Yeah.
Is that a framework or is that just a library?
It's just a library, I think.
Just a library. It's just like a jQuery, right?
Yeah, it's jQuery.
Okay.
And I think there is new other library.
So, all right, let's go to the next slide. I just want to go kind of talk about a little bit slower. So next, what's the React? Okay, so front-end JavaScript library to build user interfaces. Make it easy to create responsive web pages developed by Facebook. Okay, so React, that's what it does. Next, keep going next. All right, created and maintained by Facebook, React jQuery. So according to this chart, React is the leading JavaScript framework, the library looks like. The second one is the jQuery, right?
Yes.
Okay, go to next. Component-based architecture. So, okay, so you're saying that the React works all those three components, right?
Mm-hmm.
React is declarative. Tell React what you want, and React will build the actual UI, user interface. React would handle efficiently updating and the rendering of the components. DOM updates are handled gracefully in React. Okay, let's keep going. More on why React. Okay, seamlessly integrate React into any of your applications, portion of your page or complete page, or even an entire application itself. React native for mobile applications. Okay, that's good. Prerequisites, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript fundamentals. Very good. Virtual DOM. DOM manipulation is the heart of the modern interactive web. Unfortunately, it's a lot slower than most JavaScript operations. There you go. That's the little downside. Slowness is made worse by the fact that the most JavaScript frameworks update DOM much more than they have to. Example, updating a list. Okay, that's good. Next. JSX, JavaScript extension, allows us to combine JavaScript and HTML. Oh, all right, there we go. So that's basically saying that you can use the HTML inside of React. Well, just like what we do right now, right?
Yeah.
Except this one is a little different format. Okay, yeah, that's good. Next. Thank you, everyone, and good luck. There we go. All right. So, let's see. Guys, what do we know? Any questions for everybody so far? Okay. It says, I have no question. I just have these. And a lot of them like there. Okay. Oybek's thinking about coming up with questions. And Mr. Harmanov has a question.
So the React was created from Facebook?
Facebook, I think Facebook developers. The Facebook developers maybe create it.
Who created? Who created? What created?
Facebook developers.
Facebook developers. Okay. All right. Now, what else do we know about React? What else? Anything that we want to know, or how do we? But in jQuery, we know that you can just download the jQuery library, or you can just kind of reference in your header, right? You can just say, you know, CDN, or you can go to jQuery.com, .net, and you can just basically get that one. Can you do the same thing with React? How do you say, like, how do you write a simple hello, for example, in React? Can you do that? Is it possible?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. All right, then. Any other questions? Oybek? Anything you want to know? You don't know anything? No?
I think it writes with the like React DOM.
That microphone is on mute. Okay. Okay.
And I have a question
Yeah.
about the library and framework. So in the framework, it's already in that we use in it, and the library, it's just created, or what's the difference?
But the biggest difference is a library. That's the word's definition of the library is something that it's like a collection of functionalities, lots of functions you just put together and use them whenever you want to. Framework is a system, is like an architecture. That's a total different thing. Okay, framework is bigger than just a library. Library is just collection of functions. That's all. You know, just like jQuery, you use a let's say, for example, selector, right? A click event. You have these mouse over, mouse down, mouse move, leave, and so on and so on. Or like animation, toggle, same thing. It's just like a bunch of functions in the jQuery library or library. But the frameworks, there are a lot of frameworks out there, like Backbone. You have these, and then Angular. So there are a lot of Vue.js, and a lot of them are out there. They follow framework. Okay, so framework like MVC, they follow the patterns. So they have this architecture. Like a Laravel is a framework. So now, thank you for your presentation. I really appreciate it. That was good, right? Right, guys? Right. Thank you. Now, Mr. Timnitz kind of disappeared, or maybe turn off the lights. So what I'm going to do is today, if you don't mind, I'd like to show you we're going to talk about something magic. And I mean the magic, okay? Today's the keyword is the magic, okay? What's the magic? Magic is, I mean, more, I'm talking about the magic methods in PHP, okay? So let's talk about that. So give me 1 second. Let me set up my